well. So please give a warm Wyoming County welcome to Megan McCarthy. Thank you so much, Senator Baker, and also to all of you here in Wyoming County. It is such an honor and privilege to be here. This is my second time here. You all were incredibly warm and welcoming last time, and I'm just so grateful to be back here with all of you. I wanted to share with you what my last month has been like. I've been crisscrossing the state. I've done 54 out of 67 counties. But at the same time, I have been prosecuting cases. And so about a month ago, I prosecuted a case involving the kidnapping and sexual assault of a little 4-year-old girl. And in prepping her for trial, I'll never forget this. She was 4 years old, she was dressed in yellow and had a big yellow bow in her hair. And I asked her if she knew why she was talking to me and what she was going to have to talk about. And she looked at me and she said, "You know, a monster came and got me. And he scared me and he hurt me. And I was dark and it was dark outside. I was lost and I was in the dirt." So I'm proud to tell you that that man has been prosecuted and he will never, ever hurt another child. 2 weeks ago, and then it was about 3 weeks ago, not that much time later, I then prosecuted a man who was administering crystal meth to his 8-year-old stepson. And the reason he was doing that is that he wanted to make sure that that little boy was staying awake at night so that they could go dumpster diving and then they could sell what it was they collected the next day to feed their drug habit. And then on Friday, I just got a jury verdict from a trial I had involving the homicide of the 20-month-old. So I'm not telling this to make you sad, because I see a lot of sad faces. I'm telling you, I love my job because I believe in making a difference. I believe in making sure that we give a voice to the voiceless. I have dedicated my career to that, and I want to make a difference on the Pennsylvania Superior Court. So, as you know, this Pennsylvania Superior Court is really the workhorse of all the courts. We hear the Superior Court hears all the ones that go up on appeal, except for those that go to the Commonwealth Court. And about 90% of those cases end at the Superior Court before they go in front of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. So it is the workhorse of all the courts, and I have to tell you right now, it's the one that has been targeted by the Democrats. They have said, as you know, the Pennsylvania Supreme Court right now, 5 of the 7 justices are Democrat. And we all saw the redistricting and the legislating from the bench. And make no mistake, we have a battle right now for this Pennsylvania Superior Court because the words that they're saying is, let's flip the Pennsylvania Superior Court blue. This is a critical year. We have to get the vote out. We have to protect the courts, because if you care about individual liberties, private property rights, and the ability to do business in Pennsylvania, you have to care about the courts. So we have been working incredibly hard. Judge Christy Lee Peck and I we're the only team that is recommended by the Pennsylvania Bar Association. We are recommended based on our experience, our integrity, and our judicial temperament. And what that means is that we will do the right thing in the right way and for the right reasons. But we need your help. Running a statewide campaign requires grassroots efforts from all of you. You all have been so gracious. I remember when you were doing the petition signing. We are so grateful. But we need your support. We need you to go out there and tell your neighbors and tell everyone you know that on November 5th we have to vote, because this is the year. So thank you all so much. I'm so grateful to all of you. You all have been so welcoming. I love my friends also here from Bradford County. I've been there a few times, and I'm so thankful for all of you and this opportunity. So let's get out the vote and let's win in November 2019 so we can set the tone in 2020.